Okay, so I just got my Pop On Veneers. I just wanted to show you what my teeth look like before. So I have a bridge right here, and I have a space right here, here, and here, and you know, implants are very expensive. So I got these and I really enjoy them. I'll put the bottoms in first because you can hear those snap in really nice. See? Snap. So those are the bottoms. Look at how nice that looks. God, I didn't realize that my teeth were so yellow, but it's the difference between the colors. And here's the top. I was concerned that it wasn't gonna go like right up to the top, but I think it looks pretty good. And I got really emotional when I showed my husband because I wanted to show him before I looked in the mirror and saw them myself, and he said that I was gonna love them. And I haven't had teeth for so long. So it definitely makes me happy, and I really like them.